In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on FxPro. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain by minimizing blue light exposure, making it easier to trade for extended periods without discomfort. To do this, simply head to the FxPro application. You want to tap on the More button at your bottom right. On the Settings page, head to Appearance. Select onto this option of color scheme. Mark on Dark to enable dark mode. To get to Light mode, mark on Light. You can also mark on System Settings for the application to bear with your device system settings. That's to say, if your device is in light mode, the app will be in light mode, and if it's in dark mode, the FxPro application will also be in dark mode. Well, that's how easy it is to turn on dark mode on your FxPro application. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.